What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Grem. And ito na yung much-awaited PBA Christmas Games, which also is our quarterfinals dito sa 50th season of the PBA. PBA hashtag PBA solid with the SO being 5-0.
Yeah.
I'll take it. I'll take
Alright,
it. That's
okay.
that's a good tagline, bro.
NLEX lost to SMB which ends their
Oh,
campaign.
really?
That discuss natin yun. 29
Bro, that's
minutes
too much
dedicated.
NLEX talk. That's
Teka
too
lang,
much
may 10
NLEX.
seconds pa! May 10 seconds pa! May 10 seconds pa! Robert Bolick 4-pointer with so much time remaining talo. Okay, so Hinebra
Wait,
gets
bro. You
the
forgot.
first
We
win.
have
Gets the
we
first
have to
win.
greet. We have to greet the people first, bro. We have to
Oh
greet.
yeah,
Oo nga
Merry
pala.
Christmas,
Guys,
man.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! On
Christmas.
behalf of the pod, ang gift namin sa inyo is Nais ko na yung Facebook group. I just have to add these two na lang. I just have to put the
Alright.
logo, I have to put the banner para lang at least malinis when we add
Actually, di niya
people
kami
to the...
ilalagay. Di niya kami ilalagay. It's just gonna be him
Yun
in
yun.
there so that wala kami makaaway sa page.
Actually, parang
And,
yung kaaway na
and-
moderator, yung host.
And by the way,
This is a
as
warning.
gift, Nico, as a
Anong gift?
gift, we will be giving away 2 NLEX tickets for next conference. I hope you don't mind.
We have to pay you. Please!
Alright. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, lahat. Let's bati-bati tayo lahat po, everyone. Kayong nasa comments, not kaming tatlo. Bati naman kami. Hinebra gets game 1, no? Essentially sending the series to a do or die game. I think Graham will be there. Will be present live. Mario, hindi ako sure if he's gonna watch live. But, Graham, kwento mo naman, no? Bakit ka nakaganyan? Ba't suit mo yan?
Well, man, I was given tickets by Converge with one caveat, parang please wear Converge merch, just to pay homage to the people who were able to send you to the Coliseum. Kasi mahirap kumuha ng ticket, marami nanonood kahapon, puno
For free yun, di ba?
Oh, that's
For
4
free.
patron tickets, man. 4 patron tickets.
Yes,
So hard.
thank you
Ang
to our
hirap kumuha
sponsor.
ng ticket
Thank you to
kahapon.
our
So,
sponsor. And the
thank you to
sponsor
our
of
sponsor.
our face card episode.
Yeah, which will be coming shortly.
Yeah.
But man, it was
Coming
a good atmosphere. We talked about it. It's hard to beat Ginebra on Christmas Day, diba? They only lost twice on Christmas Day as far as I can remember. But I got the tickets from Converge. But here's the thing, man. Free tickets, that doesn't buy me as a person. This cap right here, I'm gonna put this away for now. Converge, thank you so much for the tickets. This shirt, this won't
Ay,
stay too
picture
long.
cute. Meron palang may tao
This
pala
won't
sa...
stay too long.
Oh my
because
God, here we go.
I have it with me, man. I mean, I cannot be
But I
bothered
thought,
how many
Graham, I
airports
thought you
this
were a
film.
fake Ginebra fan.
Oh, akala ko ba fake Ginebra fan
Speaking
ka?
Hello.
of, brother, I want to address that. I want to address
Give
that.
this guy the
Man,
this guy the floor, Mario. Give
Sige,
this guy the floor.
sorry na.
just because we're trying to be objective na, hey, maybe Ginebra is not in the best position to beat Converge because the last time they faced each other, they got their ass whooped. Diba? That doesn't mean we're fake. Diba? I mean, heading into the playoffs, talagang pagbabasihan mo yung elimination round game, they had talaga Ginebra. They just played better yesterday by virtue of the best Gen King rookie since Mark Cagiwa. RJ Abarientos, you deserve the crown. This crown was last
Not a
used
rookie. Not a rookie.
Not a rookie na, Graham.
I know.
Second year na,
Not a rookie.
sophomore
I know,
na.
but this is still the
Hello,
best
Sonny
rookie
is
that we
still.
had since Mark Cagiwa. Sonny is still probably. But bro, RJ Barrientos deserves the crown. He is the Scotty's still there, man. But he's right up there, man. He's right up there as the next Jin King because when he's going, good luck stopping that guy. I said this in a Facebook post. Salamat sa buhay na asawa mo, our love. Like, take care of him, hug him for the millions of us because he just cooked Juan Gomez de Leano yesterday. He was hunting Juan Gomez de Leano, diba? On several
And
pick
that's
and roll plays.
surprising, bro. Kasi si Juan, di yan patapon sa depensa, bro.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Two-way
Nabantayan
yan.
niya yan. He's defended Lithuanians, he's defended Koreans. Pero RJ wanted all the smoke and he delivered yesterday. But to be fair, I don't think it was just an RJ game. And I want to also address yung sinabi ni Graham yung tungkol sa mga nagsasabi na fake Ginebra fans kami. by the way, even if you can call us whatever you want, we still chose Ginebra, by the way.
Mhm.
I don't know I don't know if that
We
was
chose
for
Ginebra for
Daniel.
game 1. We chose Ginebra for game 1. Tama
No,
nga.
Graham and I chose them for game 2.
For the series.
Yeah,
Ikaw yung
that's
sinasabi mo yung, yeah, ito's your heart telling you
same.
na, your heart was telling you Ginebra in 2.
Yeah.
We're actually the same, man. And the fact that we chose Ginebra over TNT multiple times. We chose Ginebra over SMB last conference. Hi, Nico's wife. Man, that proves that we're diehard Ginebra fans. They actually had no chance against SMB last conference. What are you talking about? We're fake
chose them.
fans. I mean, I chose them over the Bay Area Dragons when Bay Area was beating every team by 50. Man, just stop accusing us of being fake Ginebra fans, man. Like,
Or whatever.
I
just
think
stop.
they're new to the channel. I think they're new to the channel.
If you're new
Those
to
who
the
are,
channel, I understand
yeah.
why you think that, but then guys, please. We're just trying to be objective, and
It
we are
offends me, man. It
genuinely
offends me.
it
It offends
genuinely
me.
offended Graham. He sent us a chat where he was like, "Guys, my heart is breaking."
During
I can't
lunchtime
believe
also, by
that.
the way, was like, wow,
He was like,
during lunch,
he
this
was
is what
like,
he
"Ang
says.
sakit nito sa puso ko, guys." And you're like, oh, "Okay, you're fine, bro."
You can call my takes blasphemous false prophet. I'm fine. I'll
Which
laugh
is
with
true.
you, man. But call me a fake Ginebra fan, man.
That is,
Nah.
that he won't stand for.
This is a legit story, man. My college tuition sa PUP hindi ganun kamahal. I once traded it for Gen Ad Ginebra tickets versus Meralco when Brownlee hit the shot. So hindi ko muna binayad yung tuition ko just to get Gen Ad tickets for Ginebra Meralco. That's how
Were you in college at that time?
Yeah, I was in college, man. I was
Oh.
third year.
Halos magkasing
So,
age lang kayo, Mario. Halos magkasing age lang kayo.
That's how diehard of fan. I said, no,
I don't
stop
think
calling
so.
us fake. But great win, man.
Graham is 3 years
Great
older
win.
than you. Ay, sorry, Graham, go, yeah.
No, it was a great win. Did you know Scotty Thompson had a triple-double, brothers?
I saw. Yeah,
Oh,
ay,
really?
nakita ko rin naman. Yeah, I
He
saw.
had a triple-double.
When I was watching, yeah.
Bro, you could feel yung presence niya sa laro na to. Alam mo yung mga
Yeah.
games talaga na yung...
Oh, so since
we
we're
always-
discussing game 1 na.
Bro, we always say it naman talaga, di ba? Na, dude, Ginebra goes as
It's
far as
crazy,
RJ
bro.
Abarientos and Scotty
35.
Thompson go.
Wow.
Brother, Scotty kasi, if he's able to control the game, and at the same time, ganda ng depensa niya kay
Juan
Gomez, Just
Yeah.
letting, just putting that out there. If he's able to control the game, Ginebra really is a good team. It just so happens na may mga times talaga na hindi siya masyadong, aggressive. But when he is, Ginebra's a good team. At the same time, I need to give credit to, I rarely do this. And so, let me just do this properly. I have to give credit to Japet Aguilar. Yesterday, Japet Aguilar, ginawa niyang bata niya si Justin Baltazar kahapon, bro. And that, I did not expect that to happen in this series. I truly expected na kakainin si Japs, pati si Norbert ng buhay ni Justin Arana and
Tama.
Baltazar.
Yeah.
But yesterday, Japet outplayed, I think, both of them. I would say both. He outplayed both of them.
Certainly Arana.
Yeah, Arana barely played, brother. He had what? 8 fouls or something? I don't know.
Yeah, he had 4 in the third quarter. He was sitting on the
Lala
bench.
nga,
and-
no? He had 4
And
in the third,
kinakausap,
yeah.
I was behind Converge's bench, by the way, which is a torture because isang beses na Ginebra chant, hindi pa ako nakasabay. But Coach Daniel Defonso was really talking to Justin Arana, giving him pointers. And hindi na siya nag-commit na masyado maraming fouls. But man, Troy was aggressive, Japet was aggressive, even Herbert Torres was aggressive sa board. So that contributed to Arana getting those fouls.
Bro,
You're right, Mario.
yung napansin ko kahapon for Ginebra is they didn't, alam mo yung nag-aano sila, offensive rebounding, yung ginawa nila talagang pake nila eh. Like, yan yung one of the main things I think that they put yung parang importance on is, okay, they are bigger than us and they probably are faster than us too, aside from maybe Scotty and RJ. So we have to do something else. And they got a lot of offensive rebounds, if I'm remembering it correctly. Jason David himself had 3. Abarientos had 1. Japet had 2.
Defensive superstar.
Defensive superstar,
Jason David.
Yeah. Troy had 2. Stephen Holt had 2. And those things amount up into something big eh. Alam mo yun? Kasi offensive rebounds, they're a pretty big deal if you ask me. Kasi they allow your possession to tuloy-tuloy. And the fact that they were able to make a lot of those plays, even si Japet, I know it specifically dun sa third quarter, nung lamang yung Converge entering the second half, Japet had 2 putbacks against Baltazar in the
Isa
second
dakdak, di ba?
quarter. Yeah, yung isa duck. It's a duck. But like, dude, like, it's those type of plays kasi mga momentum shifting plays, and it allowed for RJ to get his rhythm going. And now look, and RJ had 35 points yesterday.
Yeah. Brother, I will also, you're right. This pod has been notorious for throwing shots at Japet Aguilar. And there are times na talaga he frustrates us. Yesterday, he did not hurt us at all. He was
Yeah,
the
he did. Very
he
Galing,
was
galing niya
the
kahapon. Okay talaga
ang
siya
galing ni
kahapon.
Japet kahapon, man.
Exactly.
Um,
4
Plus
blocks.
22. Plus
4
22.
blocks.
Wow.
right, plus 22. Wow. So,
Highest.
yeah, and but ang galing nung palitan nila ni Norbert Torres. Like, there is obviously a drop off, pero may positive na nabibring si Norbert na wala si Japet. Parang inside
Spacing talaga
presence,
yun.
yung toughness. Yeah, tsaka yung spacing. Like, you have to respect and you have to come out pag libre si Norbert Torres sa labas. But man, Norbert Torres also did a good job of containing si Arana because Baltazar really had a good game. By the way, Norbert Torres scored the same points as BA88 Benadamos. We'll get to that later.
With the jumper. With that jumper.
You mean the mid-range maestro?
The mid SGA 2.0.
Molten middle.
What
Ben
do you mean
Adamos.
SGA 2.0? This is the second coming of Aldrich Ramos, man. But
Kevin Garnett reincarnated.
Yeah, that's right. But boy, I also want to shout out, man, Steven Holt, brother. This guy is a good defender. I was watching with my wife yesterday. She was really confident kasi sino binabantayan ni Steven Holt that will be stopped. Sabi niya sa akin, kasi nga si RHJ kaya niyang bantayan eh. So, you know, like, hey, my wife knows ball. But bro, right? I mean,
Also,
that guy
Mario, ko lang
sacri-
napansin si Grem he's wearing the cape.
Look, dude, he put on the cape while we were talking kanina.
Oh,
About
okay,
Scotty
kaya
Thompson.
Started
pala.
off with the
Scotty
it started off with the
Thompson.
crown, then he put on the cape.
Yeah, bro, if he never advances, the more props are coming. But Steven Holt is really a great defender. He was not as aggressive as I hoped he was yesterday, but brother, sobrang galing talaga ng depensa ni Steven Holt kay Stockton, kay Shawnee Winston, who was kind of contained as well. It was a really defensive masterclass by Ginebra. Outside of the
Their
RJ,
defense was very good. I agree.
yeah, outside of the RJ Barrientos explosion, it was their defense that won them the game, brother.
Yeah,
Yeah,
100%.
some calls went their way. Coach Delta shrugged it off na parang it's not the refs, you were just outplayed. But the haters will say it's the refs. Yeah, some calls went our way, but brother, the defense was suffocating. The
I agree.
Converge, sobrang hirap na hirap yung Converge getting baskets from after the early Juan Gomez de Llano explosion. From that point, it was really suffocating defense by Ginebra that won them the game.
Dude, I wanna add lang to this before we move on to Converge. Shucks, I kind of forgot what I wanted to
Ginebra?
say.
Bro, Ralph
yeah,
Koo.
yeah.
Ralph
Jason
Koo, we're gonna
David
go to
and
Ralph.
Ralph Koo. Yeah, there, Ralph
Oh.
Koo. Jason David and Ralph Koo. I know they don't really play as many minutes as people want them to, especially
Sinulit
Ralph.
nila. Sinulit
Me,
nila
bro,
yung
I love
minutes.
Ralph Koo. Ralph Koo is really.
Tayong dalawa, Mario. That's our guy.
Ralph Koo's been at the top. We've been in love with Ralph Koo for a very long time. So there's that. He's hitting good shots. He's making the good passes. He's really yung gusto natin gawing next Joe Devans, di ba? Yung kayang tumira sa labas, kayang dumipensa, kayang magdala ng bola. I'm hoping we see more of this again from Ralph Koo moving forward. And now we move on to a game 2 where it's winner take all. It's anybody's series. If Ginebra can play this same level of defense, I wouldn't be surprised if we see them winning on Sunday.
Yeah, it's the only thing, bro. There are two ways I look at it. Number one, sobrang hirap talunin ng isang team sa PBA na, especially Converge level. Like, it's Terra Firma, you can easily beat them 3 times in a row. But this is Converge, man.
30.
It's hard to beat them twice in a row. So there's that. But Ginebra is a very tough team. Unless you're San Miguel or TNT, it's hard to beat Ginebra in a do-or-die game. Diba?
Yeah, of course.
Diba? Especially these guys are young outside of Kevin Racal and Vic Manuel. These
Who
guys
played well, by the way. I will say he
young.
played well.
By the way, I told you, in the post, give me Vic Manuel over Japet Aguilar any day of the week.
Yeah, yeah.
But bro, one last thing about Ginebra, Ralph Koo, if you're open, take those shots. It looks like he has the green light, bro. It
He
looks like
should
he
have the
has the
green
green.
light. He can
He
shoot,
has.
dude.
Ayaw nga
Yeah,
niya
that's
tumira before eh. Now
Siya
he
yung
has
may
6 shot attempts in 10 minutes,
Mm.
which is what we
siya yung
did.
may ayaw, pre. Hindi
Siya
tayo.
yung may ayaw.
I agree, bro. Na parang there were a couple of games na ayaw niya talagang bitawan, and you know, Ralph Koo, brother, if Jolina De La Cruz gets the ball from Alohi Robin Sardi, she's gonna hit that ball. Do the same if you get open.
Oh, dang. Look at that random volleyball.
They're dating, right?
Hey.
They're dating. But that's what I'm saying, bro. The only thing that will worry me is, will we get the same contributions from the other guys? Because I expect RJ to continue rolling, bro. It's very hard to keep RJ if to contain RJ if he's rolling. But these contributions from Ralph from Jason David, they have to appear again. Also, Troy Rosario had 10 points. One last thing, bro. I don't know if it's revenge, but Benadamos took a garbage time shot. I don't know what Coach Tim has to say about that. That was with
Bawal
Okay
na sa
naman.
gilas.
Bawal na siya sa gilas.
Yeah.
Bawal siya sa
But we will see him in the pool. Diba? May include din sa pool.
Nandun siya sa pool.
But hindi siya
Hindi siya masama sa dulo to.
But bro, I think that's just revenge from Coach Tim. I'm not a fan of it. You know, if you practice what you preach, you practice what you preach. You don't want garbage time shots, then don't take them yourselves.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to discuss this, no. Do we see, so it's for everyone also in the comments, no? Our question for the day. Do you see RJ Abarientos replicating this kind of performance in the do or die game? Yes or no? Yes, same levels, ganito, 25 plus. No, it's gonna regress, less than 10 points, unplayable, or in the middle. He scores
Ako may sagot
maybe,
ako.
ano,
Ang sagot ko is he'll end up with like 16 points, but Jeremiah Gray will have 15. I think
actually, it
I
makes
think
sense.
Maya.
That makes sense.
Wow.
I
Makes
think
sense
maybe
naman.
Maya, bro.
Bro,
And then
I
when you
just
go to and then when
hope
you go to
Mario.
Converge. Sorry,
Mario,
go ahead.
one last thing. I just hope he does not have a Harold Alarcon type of slump. Like Harold in game 1, diba, had 34. And
Oh,
then
career high.
we never saw a good game from Harold Alarcon again. So
How dare you bring up Harold Alarcon in the PBA podcast? How dare you? Just because your DLSU prophecy came true doesn't mean you get to bring that up. How dare you? Just pasadahan lang natin yung Converge because obviously we have to. Men, if you're Converge kasi, your 2 of your 4 or 5 best players had 4 fouls each. 5 fouls each. Justin Arana and Alex Stockton both had 5 fouls each. You could blame the refs all you want. Wala na kayong magagawa. The game's done. You guys already lost. I don't think you would have won this game even with the refs on your side because of how RJ played this one. Heading into this next game, you need Juan Gomez de Leon to play a lot better than how he played this one. He's gonna have the hardest coverage. Alam naman natin yun eh. He's gonna have Stephen Holt, he's gonna have Scotty, he's gonna have Maya, he's gonna have
Jason David.
He might even have Nides Pinto at some point. Like it does not matter. He will have to face all of them because that's the type of talent he is. If Converge wants to win, kailangan talagang much better game from Juan. And at the same time, I think you need the same or somewhat the same level of skill from Shani Winston. Shani was keeping them in this game. Even if Ginebra was making their run, Shani was making some pretty big baskets in the first quarter and the third quarter. Tama. First quarter and third quarter to keep them in this game. So, I think on Sunday, walang tambakan yun sa Sunday. I think it's gonna be talaga. Down to the wire, 2-3 point win for either team.
An ugly do or die game kind of win na parang you're gonna celebrate the new year na pasa-pasa ka or may sugat or something.
Oh yeah.
That's how rugged it's gonna be on Sunday. Man, when Converge made the run in the second quarter, they used their size. You are the bigger team, you have the better players down low. You just need to maximize them. You have Ara, you have Baltazar, you also have Vic Manuel. You have Larry Muyang. Larry Muyang played,
Larry Moyes playing well right now.
Larry Muyang is playing. He only had 3 points yesterday. I was really surprised because I remember what those 3 points are. It was an N1. But bro, you have more artillery down low than Ginebra.
Yeah.
I'll say this, man, the better team. They're the better team in this matchup. They're the younger team, but they're also the better team if you look at the personnel. But it's just the experience. Ito siguro yung dahilan kaya uh you know, people were really worried na Ginebra yung nakatapat nila. May Facebook page kasi yung Purple Nation. Hindi pa ako nababash doon kasi hindi ko pa naman sila binabanatan. Pero nakikita ko parang of all the teams na pwedeng makamatcha, parang Ginebra yung iniiwasan talaga nila. Because yun nga yung experience. But bro, Juan Gomez Diliano, you have to be better. My brother, you had 9 points. 7 of them came early, but the looks he was giving to his teammates, those were like Nikola Jokic type of looks. They are wide open. I don't want to instigate anything, Mario, but they are Nikola Jokic kind of passes na talagang ititira mo na lang. That's how good Juan Gomez Diliano is.
Ganda nga ng playmaking ni Juan, no?
Ganda
Grabe,
talaga, bro.
Di lang siya scorer eh. Playmaker talaga eh. Galing.
Bro, sobrang deceiving yung 1 assist na yan because he should have had more assists than what he had, the looks that he was giving to his team. Bro, I'll keep on hammering this. Converge has the second best front line. Third, best front line in the PBA.
Third.
Behind who?
San
TNT
Miguel
and
and
SMB.
TNT.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. San Miguel muna.
Yeah.
You think you were gonna say NLEX?
Ha? May frontline kami? May frontline kami?
Brandon
We have a
Ramirez.
frontline? Kailan pa kami nagka-frontline?
Brandon Ramirez.
Did you
And,
see did you see si Kapulong play yesterday?
I saw LJ play yesterday also.
Bro,
No,
let me tell
LJ
you
solid,
this.
yeah. Si Lawrence Kapulong, oh my gosh, I don't know what he was
Bro,
doing.
Mario,
Guarding Junmar Fajardo.
Mario, I'm gonna say this. The PLDT high-speed hitters, they have a better front line than the NLEX Road Warriors. Man. Like they
You're not
block
lying.
more than NLEX.
You're not lying, my guy.
but
You're not
bro,
lying.
The Converge is right up there. You use your front line. You use your bigs. That's your strength. If you start that way, and you get Japet and Troy and Norbert to foul trouble, then mahirapan na talaga yung Ginebra, bantayan kayo. Now, some of the calls will not really go your way if you're against SMC team. I admit that. Yeah, San Mig Coffee won a grand slam by getting calls, diba? But man, you just have to use your strength. You just have to go to your bread and butter, and I believe that's down low with Arana and Baltazar. Like Japet can only guard one. There always will be one mismatch with Troy Rosario.
That's why I truly believe Troy is yung medyo X-factor para sa Ginebra. Kasi kung kaya niyang tapatan or at least limitahan yung either Balti or Arana, he did a
then
good
it's
job,
easier for Japet and Norbert Torres to contain them. By the way, Troy was looking for his shots yesterday. He shot 4 of 10. So also at 10 points. So
but Ginebra
man,
has the same problem as Ateneo. I said this before. All the talent in the world, but sometimes they don't know if they're allowed to shoot the ball or not.
Too much sticking to the system. Too much sticking to the system.
Yeah.
Bro,
as long as both either coach, as long as the players of Ginebra know that they can shoot the ball or know that they have the license to shoot, they can have a good chance of winning talaga.
Bro, ako alam mo, I'll treat RJ Barrientos like Kobe Bryant. Like there's no bad shot. If you're Coach Tim, there's no bad RJ Barrientos shot. There's no bad RJ Barrientos play. Let him cook. If he's not cooking, then set him down. Diba? And then you go back to your system. But if RJ's cooking, man, just give him the ball like he did yesterday, and he really took them home. If you're Converge, man, you were just one RJ Barrientos explosion away from really making this a really close game. That's the thing. Diba?
Yeah.
So if you're mayroong mga garbage baskets sila Jason David and BA88, but other than that, if RJ did not explode, then
it could have been closer. But dude, I think no matter what happened yesterday, I think Ginebra was gonna win. Because
best Christmas team of all time that Mario.
It's not the Lakers.
Yeah, it's not the Lakers. We gotta ask.
Talo sila kanina.
Not the Lakers.
Hey, don't talk about the NBA, Nico. You're Warriors.
Panalo kami.
Yeah.
Against
But bro,
Dallas,
I
bro.
think
But we're not winning anything this year.
yeah, I know.
Bro,
Good
and
luck.
then
Welcome to the
just
club.
to pass
Welcome
by
to the club.
just to pass by SMB and Lex, bro. Um, I
Yeah,
believe
dara natin.
NLEX had a chance at the end. They
They
had a
did.
chance at the end. Robert Volek had 31 points and he was basically unstoppable for most of this game. And you kind of have to live and die with yung 4-point shot ni Volek dun. Kasi
Yeah.
he's your star, di ba? Like, what can
Mm.
you do? If he wants to shoot that 4-pointer,
Green light siya. Green
yeah,
lights
it's
of
like
all
telling
green
Jokic,
lights.
hey man, you're not allowed to take a mid-range jumper. Because it's a bad shot. If Bolik wants to take it, let Bolik take it. If it went in, we would have been saying his praises. But since it didn't, um, singing his praises, sorry. But since it didn't, people are gonna say na ang pangit ng shot na yun. Just let him take it. Oh wait, sorry. I just had to pass by this dun sa Hinebra Converge. Nakalimutan ko sabihin. I don't think that was a closed fist by Archie Concepcion, by the way.
Hindi, ano
I
yun? Medyo he had RJ sold that call. To say
I
the
Yeah,
think
least.
he really did.
He so
I think
sold
that's
that
just
call.
yung normal na
Yung
ano.
normal, binabak, we do
Yeah.
that. Di ba? Pag
But
yung
Oh.
tipong
yung belief ko is here in this scenario.
siruntok na ano.
I think it was a little too over the top na I don't think RJ sold it. I think talagang nasaktan si RJ. But I don't
He,
think may malicious intent si Archie.
He was
That's
just
what I
he
trying to
got
block
hit
him off
in ano
lang.
eh. He got hit siguro in a critical area na parang pag dito ka tinamaan talaga masakit. Diba?
Yeah, maybe.
Parang,
Ganun yung ginawa sa akin ng guard sa Lasal nung nag-join ako sa victory party. Hey,
Ano
get out,
sa
get out. sabi ko, I helped them win.
we're only
Hey, get
allowed,
out.
we only have two bald men on our coaching staff.
bawal
Who's
more
this?
than.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't.
But yeah, you're right. You're right. RJ saw that. I was concerned for a second dahil talagang gumulong si
I was
RJ on
worried
the
as well.
floor.
Yeah,
Sabi
yeah,
ko,
yeah.
oh, what
That's why,
happened? And then,
that's why I don't think he's so. I don't think it's acting. I think talagang nasaktan siya. But I don't think talagang na-mean ni Archie yun. Na saktan si RJ. I don't think he's the type of guy, bro.
yeah,
I've
I
been
don't.
watching Archie.
Oh yeah, I agree with that din. Parang binenta talaga ni RJ yung. I mean, it would not have mattered anyway, but
Anyway.
here's my question. Like Archie Concepcion has to sit on the bench for 3 minutes. He sat for 30 seconds, something like that. Well, does he need to sit for another 2.5 minutes in game two? I don't know.
Brother
The first two and a half
Archie,
minutes. Is he
um,
start? He's not starting pala.
he doesn't
Okay.
start.
But he played a
I
lot of
would say
minutes
let
yesterday.
Archie play, bro. Let
Okay. All
Archie
right.
play, bro.
Okay.
But
Finally
All
found
right.
his
anyway,
footing in the PBA, no, Mario, compared to his first
he did.
year, no?
Siyempre naman,
Finally
tinan mo
found his
naman yung
footing.
initial stint niya, bro. Tinan mo
Where was
naman
he again?
sino,
Yung first niya? Saan ba
Blackwater
siya?
siya sa
Black,
initial
Baywatch
stint
pala.
niya, man.
Yeah.
Kasama niya si
Bayo.
Jan Dermal dun. Like, come
That's
on.
PBA yan eh. PBA Siberia yan eh. Blackwater. tsaka
PBA
Blackwater.
Siberia.
Bro.
Livable, but very
Yeah.
extreme conditions.
Yeah.
Dalf and Christian David and Cedric Bearfield are coming up soon, dude. But yeah, going to the
And
SMB and
next.
next game. I know not many people care about this, so we'll do it kind of quickly. End of the day, like we said kanina, Bolik let him take that shot. But for SMB, Jericho Cruz, I think played really well for SMB
Yeah,
yesterday.
ganda na laro niya.
I think it and in the first half where NLEX was playing good basketball, Jericho was the one who kept them close. Si Jericho
Yeah.
yung lumalaban for them. Second half,
Mm.
naging Trolliano, tas June Mars, always
Junmar
gonna be
na yan.
June Mars. But Robert Bolick made the very, very, very factual statement when he said, wala kaming June Mar Fajardo, ano magagawa namin? Well, yes, that is the PBA All Filipino Cup for you. No matter what happens, you always have to run through the Kraken, and I don't think it's gonna be easy for anybody to get through SMB this conference.
Yeah, well, you could have had Brandon Ganuelas Roser kung ano pinagagawa niya sa buhay niya, but it is what it is. All I'm saying is this is just the number one team being the number one team. I'm sorry, NLEX, I disrespected you during the preview na parang it's gonna be over real quick. No, it wasn't.
It is quick. I mean, tapos pa rin game.
What I said was in the third
Like
quarter,
tambakan.
Ginebra fans
Okay.
pwede na bumili ng pagkain. I was wrong about that. It was
After
really
quarter nga naman, bumarang ka. Yeah.
in the third quarter talagang umiwalay San Miguel but
Yeah nga.
NLEX
Then
kept
minutes is
pushing
done.
and
Then
pushing.
minutes is done, bro.
Done? How many
Done yan.
minutes? 20.
No,
24 24
that's
minutes.
where Don dyan siya uminit. Dyan siya
Ah,
uminit.
yeah, yeah,
15
yeah.
points in
I
the third.
remember.
Don Troliano had 15 points in the
Yeah.
third quarter.
He had
But
0 in the
I'm
first half, from what I
yeah,
remember.
right. So
And then Wami had
um
4 for the whole game.
there you go.
Oh,
Eh.
it's
Akala
it's
ko
that
ba bate?
time of the
We're back.
year.
We're back. We're
What,
back.
It's
oh,
the
oh,
Alright.
I'm just
time of
saying. I'm just saying he had
Alright.
4.
Alright.
I didn't mean anything
There's a
right.
different tune na sinabi mo yun versus yung sinabi mo yun kay Ben Adamos. Like kay Ben
I'm saying,
Adamos at 2 points, you were lively. Kay Wami Chongson, parang
I'm saying he had 4 points, bro.
You're just reading the stat sheet, di ba? But
Yeah, I'm
man,
just reading
this is
the
just the
stat sheet.
number one team.
He had
In the
more
first
points.
three.
He had more points than Chris Ross.
Okay, boy. All right, bro. In the first 3 quarters, it was the guards, but in the fourth, you just go to the goat. You just
Yeah.
go to palabigasan mo talaga. How 26 points and 23 rebounds. That is just outrageous. And I know the old heads will say, "Oh, he's not gonna do that in the 80s." Oh yeah, he will. You will. Like this guy is just so strong. He's so big. He can shoot from the outside. He doesn't take a lot of shots from the outside, apparently. But this is a crazy stat, like 26 and 23. I'm sad for NLEX because Kevin Alas played okay. I'm a fan actually of Kevin Alas. He had 9 points. Slowly but surely getting back to his old form. But man, you can't really fault ano talaga si Robert Bolick. Like if that shot, all right, Mario, if that shot went in, it would have been a 1 point game,
Exactly. That's why.
and the pressure would have been on SMB's side.
That's why.
Tama,
But
tama naman.
you know,
Kaya,
it is what it is. Like the same way, LaSalle would not have would not have blamed Jacob Cortez taking a long 3-pointer. Yeah,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
it's how basketball goes.
Yeah. By the way, shout out Sydney Onwubere, brother. You may
Yeah.
have
Oh
just played,
yeah.
you may have
So,
just played yourself back into a PBA team after how you played yesterday.
Laban eh, no? Lumaban eh.
Lumaban siya, man. The rent was due, bro.
The
Oh,
rent
yeah.
was, ganun nga.
The rent was
Sydney,
due,
the
bro.
rent was due on Ubere.
yeah, and Robert, the possession ends here, Bolick.
Sabi nga, well,
Robert
Bolick
not
kasi,
swinging
ano
the
eh,
volleyball.
number 1 assist man din eh. Pero in crunch time, alam mo, sa kanya lang talaga eh.
Oh yeah, even sa
But
Gilas, man.
he's a great playmaker.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, I got so much
I'm
flack for calling out Bolick for not passing the ball during
he
Gilas.
does it. He
Y'all,
really does it.
he didn't. He barely passed the
Bro,
ball.
alam mo yung peke? Bro, alam mo yung peke kay Juan Gomez Deliano na 1 assist? Peke rin yun yung kay Bolick na 7.
Nabitawan niya lang yung bola. Ay, ba?
Oh no, nakapulot lang yan.
Guys, you know
Napulot.
we're fans of Robert, Like
Oh, yeah.
We're big
Ako,
fans.
ako,
We're big fans of
bro, ako,
Bolick.
like,
We're
We've
big
been
fans of
vouching for
Bolick.
Robert the whole time to go back on Gilas. We're just saying though.
Oh,
There are
I'm a
times
big
where
fan
that ball
talaga.
does not leave his hand.
True
Yeah.
fans would know. I mean, listeners of the pod know. Yung mga bago
Guys-
lang eh. FYI lang yun. FYI.
Yeah. Guys, I have a question. Why is JV Mocon not playing
I don't
heavy
understand
minutes
as well.
for NLEX?
He needs 25 for me, ah.
He
Pero
only had
Kinain ni Onubere playing minutes na though. And
maybe
Fajardo. Si Dom.
maybe the Abra Weavers asked them not to use him as much na. Maybe that's what happened there, man.
Wala na si Gio eh. Magko-commit na sa
Wala na si
Terra Firma
Gio
eh.
Yeah. By the way,
Okay.
because NLEX's season's done, I need to bring this out. I think Cyrus had a let off from last conference. He was really good last conference.
Pababa minutes niya, bro.
Yung rookie season ba nila?
Rookie season niya. Yeah.
Yeah.
In his rookie year, he was really, really good last conference. I think this conference, mas na-check na siya. Or parang mas nababantay na siya. Kasi siya na lang naman talaga yung other option eh.
May scouting
So,
report na. May scouting report na.
Yeah.
So he has to
That's
adjust na. If he's really a
Yeah.
great player, diba? It's how do you adjust na? No, they know now your moves.
Exactly. It's like Dom Fajardo. Remember that one conference where Dom Fajardo was like the GOAT? And then after he
And then,
kind of just
na-check na siya.
Yeah, na-check. People just
Pero
get
so far, he's playing himself back into the rotation. He's getting somewhere around 15 minutes. Which, nakita nga dito, 18 niya eh. Pero, yeah. Pero I think this is the ceiling of Dom.
The one guy who didn't get checked yet is JP Bahio.
Oo nga, no? Si
my
Bahio.
Nico na his favorite player on NLEX aside from Brandon Ramirez.
JB
JB
Bajios, my
Bahio, brother.
guy.
My God, I love you, JB Bahio.
He's just in the right place at the right time, no?
He
Si
knows where to
Bahio.
place
Oo.
himself.
Diba?
Hindi yun by luck. He knows where to
Di
position
ba taga
himself.
San Beda to? Si
Beda yan,
JB?
beda yan si JB.
Bro, all San Beda SF/PF
They know where to
play
be
so
at, no?
well. They know exactly where to put
Mokons,
themselves.
Beda. He knows where to
Diba?
position himself for the rebounds.
Mokon was Beda.
Sino pa ba?
Art de
Well,
la Cruz,
Bolik.
di ba? Si Art de la
Bolik was
Cruz
Beda.
is Beda.
Yeah.
Nabuto mo ba yung Mario? Nabuto mo ba si Art de la Cruz? Kilala mo
Ako,
ba yun?
nabuto ko si Art de la
Nabuto
Cruz.
sa Ginebra. Nabuto
Ah,
siya sa
di, mo nabut, di mo siya nabuto sa
Bro,
Ateneo?
that guy was a beast.
Dude.
No, bro, that guy was a beast sa San Beda, si Art de la Cruz.
Sa Ateneo din.
Di ba? I mean,
Ateneo ba yun?
Nag-Ateneo yun. Art de la Cruz.
bro, Arvin
Bro, basta yung
Tolentino was
maalala
from
ko
San
lang doon
Beda.
is he was also the next JDV. Pero
Yeah, he
Dapat,
was
dapat,
supposed
di ba?
to
I
be,
remember
but
that
is-
was the talk
Bro,
nung
may
time na.
listahan yun ng mga next JDV. It was Art de la
Art.
Cruz, Aljon Mariano, then now it's Ralph Koo. I'm just trying to find the final one who will actually take the next JDV role,
Sana
man.
bata natin? Ralph. Boss
I'm
Ralph.
hoping it's Ralph Koo because it might be John Abis next. Or
John
Sonny
Abis.
Estil, brother.
Alright.
Stealing your money.
Alright. But man, more minutes for JB Mocon next conference. Next conference na Coach Jong. Like, don't worry about it na. Enjoy your break.
You don't need to worry for a while. You're good.
All right. Anything else, boys?
Oh, tomorrow? My predictions
Tomorrow.
stay the same. Meralco gets the first game and TNT. So somebody's going on vacation tomorrow.
Oh, he's so excited, bro.
As
Oh,
usual.
he's so excited.
He's
We have to
gonna-
record.
Bro, he's gonna be able to say na mas naunang na-eliminate ang...
Yes, sir. like you beat us on opening day and now you're home probably a day earlier than us or weeks.
Ang laki ng ngiti nito, putik.
This guy's vendetta, bro.
Oh,
This
people
guy-
know that. People know that.
This guy's got some insane vendetta, bro.
Nico, you
Tara,
think
tara.
Converge wins on Sunday?
I'm still sticking with Convergent too.
I'm still sticking with Ginebra in two, even if I don't believe it.
I have a stronger belief now. Now that I
You have a
see
stronger belief.
that I saw them beat Converge, like
Yep.
I'm just worried of one Gomez Diana explosion, man.
Hey, man. All I know is I don't know Juan to have two bad games in a row.
Yeah, I don't
I
expect that
do
to
not
happen.
know Juan to have two
Brother,
bad
one
games.
last thing about Converge. Did you see the Alex Stockton news? Or
Which one?
rumor?
Yung they might trade him next
They
conference.
might trade him. Do you think it's playing a role? Because he's still aggressive. Like, he's still
No,
playing
dude,
well.
he's playing well. He's playing
He's
well.
playing
Even
well.
yeah, he just got into foul trouble.
Yeah.
But
But any team will be lucky to have him.
dude,
Is
yeah,
number
many
12 on
teams will be
Ginebra
lucky.
taken? Is number 12 on Ginebra taken?
What? Number 12?
Number
Ano yun?
12 is
The
that
12
taken?
roster
Is that
spot?
number taken? No, the
Ah,
number
no.
12. No, it's
yet,
not.
yet. No, I don't
All
think so.
right. All right. All right.
Oh
Okay.
my God, bro.
Okay.
We're not gonna get him, bro. And I can tell you why later.
Okay,
I can
alright.
tell you why
I
later.
know. It's just probably a pitch for some people listening to the pod. Okay. Alright.
All right, guys. Thank you so much for listening. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. This is 6-month pod with Nico, Mario, and Graham. We'll see you all next time for our next PBA Game 2 recap. And see you all next time. Peace. Thank you so much.
Adios amigos, NSD.